Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Entertainment gossip, celebrity gossip, this is the channel for you. So guys, rumor has it ukuthi uTirelo from Izingane Zesithembu, who is Mpumelelo Mseleku's what, second wife, fiance, baby mama, girlfriend, somewhere there, So rumor has it, Kesana Uguti, this girl, this woman, this gorgeous Han, has been married from long time ago with Mpumelelo. Okay, not long time ago, but like Kutwa Mpumelelo paid Lobola firstly for her before he paid for Amahle. You know, allegedly. This was said by Ama neighbors in Zumbe. They're like, no, no, this girl, we saw her. We saw her. This girl has been married in J because guys in Vele Ilobola it's married, like and then get good try the one a proposal that Mpumelelo did on the show. It was just J for the show as a face for the show, but this girl has been long married to Sam. And also then I remember Uti, there was a time on TikTok where Utirelo shared she was doing a video wearing, like vele umakoti afake nje this thing here iduku, wearing a duke nje. And then people were like, hey bo, in the comment section people were asking themselves, did this guy pay lobola? What's happening? Are they back together? Kumalobola negotiations and ton. And then she didn't answer anything. And then people were like, hey, maybe it was a joke. Yaphela kanjalo. But Sana, by the look of things, hey, this girl has been long paid lobola for. So now it leaves us with a confusion. I don't know, maybe she will release a statement again to confirm or deny the rumors, but Sana kuningi, and it keeps on getting kuningi. Now people are saying, no, Mpumelelo Mseleku's marriage with Amahle was an arranged marriage. Asas, I really don't know. I really don't know. But all of this Sana was said by our neighbors Mzumbe, because everything really happens Mzumbe. Tina, we only judge what we see on social media. The reality is happening at Mzumbe Sana. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.